Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Ready to make the tastiest homemade fried chicken. Let's get started. Wash and clean the chicken pieces. First, let's marinate the chicken. Add an egg. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a dash of soya sauce. A dash of red chilli sauce. Add a dash of green chilli sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger-garlic paste. Add just the right amount of salt. Add a sprinkle of corn flour. Mix it all together, ensuring every piece is coated beautifully. Let it soak up all the goodness overnight or for 2 to 3 hours in the fridge. Now for frying, let's heat up some oil, just enough for shallow frying. I have added a little more oil and carefully lay in those marinated chicken pieces. Fry them until they are golden, crispy and cooked perfectly on both sides. And that's it. Serve them hot. This homemade fried chicken is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Enjoy! Let me know if you would like to add any extra tips. Comment in the comment box. Please check the ingredients and method of cooking in the description box. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.